Hello travellers, so today we're taking a look at these, which are the Western Rise Evo Pants 2.0. Now these are the updated version, of course, of the Evo Pants, which I did previously do a review on. You can click the link in the top right to have a look at that one. But these ones have a couple of new features. I believe they're more water resistant. They have a four-way stretch, and they are, of course, very stretchy and comfortable. They don't feel restrictive. These ones I have in the size 32. So they have a typical sort of jeans kind of pocket layout. On the back, they have their signature zippered pocket for hiding your wallet from pickpockets or making it a little bit more difficult for them. This is the blue-gray colorway. Now the pocket here, this is for, what they call the technology pocket. It fits my iPhone Mini fully in there, as you can see, but that is as deep as the pockets go. So one of my thoughts about these is that the pockets aren't really that deep. They go down here for the main pocket, and then the sort of tech pocket or the coin pocket goes to here. So that's the two sizes of the pocket. The actual size of this coin pocket is almost the same as the actual main pocket. So what I often found myself doing is putting my hand in the coin pocket rather than in the main pocket when I was trying to get stuff. So that is something to note, but I do like that this is larger and nice and stretchy because I do like to use that pocket. As you can see, I have my phone in this one here, and due to the fabric, you can see the shape of it, but it's not too noticeable. So let's have a look at the water test. So as you can see, they are extremely water resistant, and water like literally runs completely off of them in such a way that I don't think you'll have any problems with stains or anything like that. You can see I think the water resistance on this is actually quite a bit better than the previous ones because even the drops aren't staying on that. So extremely impressive water resistance on these ones. They are extremely stretchy. They have an internal gusset here for the crotch area, but that also, for me, I feel like makes the crotch sit a little bit unusually. I don't know if you can see that, but I think what I'm trying to say is that I feel like this is a bit short, whereas, in more traditional Levi's and stuff, they have a bit more of a higher rise, but, that might be your style. So I think they still look good. They feel very comfortable, very water resistant, and they're quite breathable too. So it's getting warmer and it's still a bit cool here, but for me, these actually feel very comfortable, and I don't feel like they're too hot or too cold. So the last thing I want to mention about these is that they are a little bit loud. So the actual fabric material, I don't know if you can hear that, but they are, like it's a nylon blended fabric, but what I did notice is, especially in quiet rooms, or quiet areas, if you if you're focusing on it, you can really hear the sound of the fabric, especially when you're walking. So what I'll do is I'll take the microphone and I'll put it about here, where you can would be where you would hear the sound if you're walking. And now I'll put it closer to the pants so it will amplify the actual sound, just to get an idea of what I'm talking about. A quick look and review hands-on with the new Evo Pants 2.0 from Western Rise. I actually do quite like them. I think they're really nice. I probably would wish they were a little bit less slim fitting. I kind of prefer the straight leg fit at these days, but very, very impressive water resistance, and they are very comfortable, four-way stretch, and I feel like they'll last a really long time, and especially be very good for everyday wear, hiking. They're quick drying, and obviously a joy to wear. So thanks very much for watching. Be sure to check the link in the description if you're interested, and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.